Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty and personal care products. Today, we're diving into the world of eyelash extension tools, and I'm excited to tell you about what could be the best eyelash extension tweezers on the market, the Etercycle High Precision Lash Tweezers set. If you're someone who loves to have the perfect lashes, whether you're a pro or just starting, you know that the tools you use can make all the difference. The Etercycle tweezers are designed to give you complete control and precision for classic, individual, or volume lash extensions. This three-piece set includes all the essential tweezers for your lash needs: a straight pointy tip isolating tweezer, a 90-degree boot volume tweezer perfect for creating 2D 10D fans, and a curved tweezer designed to pick up classic lashes with ease. These tweezers feature tightly closed tips that can handle even the thinnest lashes without slipping. Whether you're working with lashes as fine as 0.03 mm or thinner hairs, these tweezers can grab them without issue, thanks to the precision tips crafted with high-tech laser cutting technology. This ensures the tips are perfectly aligned from all angles, so you won't have to worry about misalignment during your application. The Etercycle tweezers are crafted from premium quality, medical-grade, rust-resistant, anti-magnetic Japanese steel, ensuring they last a long time and retain their toughness. The material is treated with special heat technology to enhance the durability of the tips, making sure they are not prone to deformation and maintain good resilience over time. This means they won't lose their shape and are designed to withstand daily use. Ease of use is key when applying lash extensions, and this set excels in that department. The lightweight design of the tweezers allows you to control them with ease, while the anti-slip handle reduces hand fatigue, even during long sessions. The elasticity of the tips means they have low resistance, which means less stress on your hands, and they rebound easily, allowing for smoother and faster applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, these tweezers are designed to make your lash extension process smoother and more efficient. The curved tweezer is perfect for classic lashes, making it ideal for both beginners who are just starting out and seasoned professionals who want precision in their application. With its sleek gold finish, the Etercycle High Precision Lash Tweezers set not only performs well but also looks stylish in your beauty tool collection. Plus, it comes with a convenient storage box, keeping your tweezers safe and clean when not in use. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a new set of lash tweezers, look no further. The Etercycle High Precision Lash Tweezers set offers everything you need for flawless lash extensions. From its precision tips to its high-quality material and easy-to-use design, it's the perfect tool to help you achieve stunning lashes every time. That wraps up today's review. If you're looking for the best eyelash extension tweezers, the Etercycle set is a top contender. Be sure to check out the link in the description below to grab yours and elevate your lash game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more great product critiques from Product Critique.